Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to look nervous easily. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'll be going over 5 simple things that you can do to look nervous. If you're trying to look nervous on purpose, this is the video for you. These things will help you do just that. We're going to keep it short, sweet, and straight to the point, so without further ado, let's start off with number 1. Number 1 is frequent fidgeting. That's right. If you frequently fidget, you're going to look nervous. Now, that can look like anything. It can look like, scratching your face, maybe a little too much. It can look like, maybe like, stretching your back a little too much. Maybe it can look like, like tapping on things. You can be tapping on your body part to like make a beat, or you can be tapping on, whatever's beside you, like a table or something like that, or tapping on the wall. It can be just, sort of like playing with your fingers a little bit like that. Frequent fidgeting makes you look nervous, plain and simple. So if you want to look nervous, figure out just how to fidget, and how to make it obvious that you're fidgeting, and just do it a little bit more than usual. You will start to look nervous. Moving on to number 2. Number 2 is shifting weight while standing. So basically, when people are nervous, and you'll notice this when people do presentations and when they're not comfortable doing those presentations, when they're nervous and they're standing up doing something like a presentation, they'll shift their weight constantly. They'll just move from side to side, forward and back, whatever the case is. So when you shift your weight while standing a little too much, a little bit more than usual, it makes you look nervous. Now, obviously, when you're standing up for a long period of time, your feet might hurt. You're going to have to shift your weight. Of course, that makes complete sense. But when you do it a little bit too much, it makes you look nervous. Simple as that. Moving on to number 3. Number 3 is avoiding eye contact. Now, when you avoid eye contact a little bit too much, it makes you look nervous, okay? So essentially, there's a normal range of eye contact. Some people make more eye contact, some people make less. But there's like a relatively normal range of eye contact. When you avoid eye contact on purpose, if it's noticeable that you're not looking at someone's eyes on purpose, right? Then, essentially, it makes you look nervous. Now, some people do this naturally and normally, and that's just what they do, and they might not be nervous. And if it's normal for them, then they don't look nervous. But if people know that you usually make eye contact and you're avoiding eye contact, if it looks like you're purposely avoiding eye contact and that is something that is not normal for you, then it makes you look nervous. So yeah, like I said, some people avoid eye contact naturally and normally, and even if they look nervous, they're probably not nervous. It's just what they do. But when you purposely avoid eye contact, and that's outside of your normal thing that you do, it makes you look nervous. Okay, simple as that. Moving on to number 4. Number 4 is using filler words. When you use too many filler words, like whatever, when you use those filler words that are just there to sort of fill in the space between you talking, you seem nervous. You might not be nervous, but it makes you look nervous. So if you want to look nervous, you should do exactly that. That's the best way to put it. See, I just did it right there. I just used a whole bunch of filler words when I wouldn't usually use them. So I use those filler words there, and it's sort of outside of my normal range of speaking, and essentially it makes me look nervous. Now, some people speak like that, and that's their normal. And using filler words for them is just normal speaking. But if you don't use filler words normally and then you start to use filler words, you're going to seem extra nervous. Simple as that. Moving on to the last one for this video, which is number 5. Number 5 is looking very tense in general. So if you just look tense, like if your shoulders are stiff and your body is just like stiff as a board and you're just like, you look very tense, then guess what? You're going to look nervous. So if you want to look nervous, then tense up your muscles and stand very tensely and hold your head and neck very tensely, and it will make you seem nervous. Simple as that. And if you're trying to avoid looking nervous, then loosen up your body and loosen up your sort of the way your stance and the way you're standing, and you'll seem a little bit less nervous. If I was like talking like this, very like loosely and very calmly, I wouldn't seem nervous. But if I was talking like this, and I'm speaking with very, very tense shoulders and very, very tense movements, I seem a little bit more nervous. You see that stutter there, that the filler speech type of idea? I seem a bit more nervous there. That's it. That's how to look nervous. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you found it useful. Other than that, I've got nothing else to say. And with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.